students, yesterday we have done here the unit 4 fractional numbers. In the fractional numbers we have already done here the fractions in the lowest form. How to reduce the fractions in the lowest form. Students, पिछली क्लास में हमने फ्रैक्शन नंबर्स को लोवेस्ट फॉर्म में कम करना सीखा, लेकिन आज की क्लास में हम फ्रैक्शनल नंबर्स को कंपेयर करना सीखेंगे कि कैसे हम किसी फ्रैक्शनल नंबर को बताएंगे कि ये ग्रेटर है, ये लेस है. हाउ टू फाइंड द कंपैरिजन ऑफ फ्रैक्शनल नंबर्स. फर्स्टली आई विल टेल यू that there is a simple thing that there are like fractions. If you have like fractions, you have already done in the previous class also, but this is the revision. You have revision here. If there are the like fractions, how do you compare the fractional numbers? Yes, if there are like fractions means denominator is same but numerator is different. We compare the numerator, which one is greater, that fractional number is greater number. Is this clear? Their denominator is same, numerator is different. There is 1, there is 9. Which one is greater? 9. It means this fractional number is greater in the like fractions. But if there are the unlike fractions, how do you find that which number is greater or less? Yes, there is numerator. In the unlike fractions, the denominators are different. And one thing, that if the numerator is same, then we will do here that which denominator is greater becomes that fractional number is lesser. That fractional number is smaller. वही fractional number छोटा होगा जिसका डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा होगा. इज दिस क्लियर? डिनोमिनेटर, चेक द डिनोमिनेटर इज ग्रेटर. इफ डिनोमिनेटर इज ग्रेटर, इट मीन्स दैट फ्रैक्शनल नंबर इज स्मॉलर. इज दिस क्लियर? इट मीन्स 2/3 is greater than 2/10 and 2/10 is smaller number than the 2/3 fractional number. Is this clear, students? Two are the most important points are there. And now we are comparing here. This is a new method for you. Cross multiplication method is also you have done in the previous class, but this is new LCM, by taking LCM. Okay students, there is one new method, that is by cross multiplication method. How do we compare the fractional numbers by cross multiplication method? By the cross multiplication method, there are two fractional numbers are given here, that is 1/2 and 1/4. Both numbers are given here. So to find by cross multiply, there is a meaning by cross multiply. Crossing. We are multiplying in the cross. 1 into 4, 1 into 4, and 2 into 1, 2 into 1, and this equals to 4, and this equals to 2. Which one is greater? This first one is greater. First one is greater. It means this number is greater than that number. Is this clear, students? This number is greater. 4 is greater than 2. It means there is the number 1/2 greater than 1/4. Is this clear, students? By cross multiplication method, first we will do here the cross multiply. Cross multiply जब हम करेंगे तो इसमें पहले वाला जो मल्टीप्लाई किया आपने 1 into 4 दिस एंड 2 into 1, नीचे वाला मल्टीप्लाई किया हमने 2. अब इन दोनों नंबर्स में पहले वाला अगर बड़ा है, ये आप ध्यान रखेंगे कि प्रोसेस के थ्रू ही आप करेंगे. पहले आप इसी को ही मल्टीप्लाई करके लिखेंगे यहाँ, एंड देन इसको मल्टीप्लाई करके यहाँ लिखेंगे. अगर आपने इसको पहले लिख दिया और इसको बाद में लिख दिया तो आपको कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा कि कौन से वाला आपका बड़ा होगा, कौन से वाला छोटा होगा. इज इट राइट? फर्स्ट आप ये लिखेंगे इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके, एंड देन इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके लिखेंगे. तो जो पहले वाला नंबर होगा वो अगर बड़ा है तो पहले वाला नंबर बड़ा हो जाएगा, और अगर दूसरे वाला नंबर बड़ा है तो दूसरे वाला नंबर बड़ा हो जाएगा. इट मीन्स 1/2 is greater than 1/4. Is this clear, students? This is the cross multiplication method. We will do here some more examples are there, and before doing another examples of another questions, we will learn here. We will take here the comparison by taking LCMs. How do we compare the two fractional numbers by taking the LCM? Let's see. There are the two fractional numbers, that is 7 by 2 and 5 by 3. There are two fractional numbers, that is 7 by 2 and 5 by 3. 7 by 2 is the fractional number. एक fractional number 7 by 2 है, दूसरा 5 by 3 है. Firstly, we will take here the LCM. Take LCM. What will we get here? LCM of denominators 2 and 3. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? Yes, 6, because both are the co-prime numbers. अगर co-prime numbers, we have done already the how to find the LCM and the HCF processes. So अगर दोनों co-prime numbers हैं तो directly हम उनका multiply LCM ही लिखते हैं. 2 into 3, that is 6, and nothing will be common in both the numbers. So there is the LCM 6. So LCM, we have to change its denominator into 6. We have to change its denominator into 6. So let's see. This is 3 here and this is here. So becoming at 6, what will we multiply here? 2 into 3, and same doing like this in the numerator into 3, and same doing like this 5 by 3. In the 3 to becoming it 6, we will multiply here by 2, and same here doing by 2. There is 7 3 21 divided by 6, and it will be 10 divided by 6. Both numbers, both denominators are same. If denominators are same, if there are like fractions, then we will compare by the numerators easily. So now compare both the numbers. 21 by 6 is greater than 10 by 6. It means which number is greater? 7 by 2. 21 by 6 कौन सा number है? 7 by 2. 7 by 2 is greater than 5 by 3. Is this clear, students? By taking LCM, how do we find? By taking LCM, we have to know about how to find the LCM. First find the LCM and then take the denominators as the LCM. Okay, students? Denominators as LCM we have done here, and then compare the if both the denominators are same. These are the like fractions, and how to compare the like fractions we have done here. Is this clear, students? I hope both methods are clear here. But now I will do here the question 1 more parts. Okay, students, let's see. Okay, students, there is one more question here. It's the last part. Part is F. Question 1, part F, and there is also question number 1, part F. There is by taking LCM. This is the question number 2, which is finding here to compare the fractions by taking the LCM, and here is by cross multiplication method we have to find here the finding the comparison of the fractional numbers. देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड का यूज कर रहे हैं. यहाँ देखिए कैसे हम कंपेयर करते हैं क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड से. इज दिस क्लियर? बाय क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाइंग, फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लाइंग दिस नंबर 11 into 6. Is this clear? 11 into 6, and now 18. This will be multiplied here. 18 into 1. It will get 66, and it will get here 18. Is this done? Okay. Now we are seeing here that which one is greater. 66 is greater. It means this is the first number and this is the first number. It means 11 by 18 is greater than 1 by 6. Done, students? We are doing by cross multiplication method. I hope you have understood this method very clearly, and you will solve yourself all the remaining questions. Okay, students? Now we will do here by taking LCM. Again, I am repeating again the method, same method by taking LCM. First, you will find the LCM of all the numbers which are given in the fractional numbers denominators. Denominator is 9 and 7. So, what will be the LCM? both are the co-prime numbers and co-prime numbers are multiplying to each other gives the LCM. दोनों co-prime numbers को अगर हम multiply कर देते हैं तो वही आपका LCM बन जाता है, that is 63. There is the number 63 that will become as the LCM. Now what will we do here? Next step is, in the first step we will take the LCM. In the next step we will do find the denominator as the LCM. So what will we multiply to the 9 to get the 63? हमें 63 लाने के लिए 9 को हमें किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना चाहिए? देखिए 2 by 9 into, बताइए किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? यस 7, 9 7 जा 63. अगर हमने 7 डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई किया है तो न्यूमरेटर में भी मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि हमें इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन बनाकर रखना है. एंड दिस विल बी द 7 to 14, 9 7 जा 63. एंड देयर इज द नेक्स्ट नंबर दैट इज 3 by 7. अब बताइए 3 by 7 में डिनोमिनेटर को हमें 63 बनाए रखने के लिए हमें क्या करना होगा? दैट इज 9 7 जा 63. Same here in the numerator into 9, and it will become as 9 3 ja 27 and 9 7 ja 63. It will get here 27 by 63. Now we are having here the two numbers 27 by 63 and 14 by 63. Denominators are same. It means these are the like fractions. Like fractions को हम numerators से directly हम कंपेयर करते हैं. बड़ा नंबर जिसका भी न्यूमरेटर बड़ा होता है वो फ्रैक्शनल नंबर बड़ा बन जाता है. दैट इज 14 by 63 is less than 27 by 63. It implies 14 by 63 कौन से वाला नंबर है? फ्रैक्शनल नंबर 2 by 9. It means 2 by 9 is less than 27 by 63, 3 by 7. 2 by 9 is less than 3 by 7. Is this clear, students? If methods or concept is clear here, then you can easily solve the remaining questions. If the concept is not clear, then you can't solve. You have some problems to finding the LCM or multiply equivalent forms. So if you have their problem, then you can solve previous questions before solving this question. And if you clear that concept, then you will solve this question. You will solve easily. And if you solve these questions, then you can solve all the remaining questions very easy. Yes, students, it's the first and second question is done here. Now we will do here the question number 3. In the question number 3, there is asking that compare the following pair of fractional numbers. For fractional numbers comparing, there we will do any method we will use here. At your wish, जो आपको मेथड अच्छा लगे आप उस मेथड का यूज करिए. By comparison or cross multiplication, doing comparison by cross multiplication or by taking LCM. Both methods you can use. Let's see. I will do here 2 questions. Now, students, there is the question number 3. In the question number 3, you can use as your wish which you want to use the method. There is first part. I will do this question as cross multiplication method, and the next last part, question number 3, last part, I will do it by the LCM method. Okay, students. So let's see here. There is the question. This and this. Firstly, you will see here that there is the mixed number. If there are the mixed number, then first solve that number in the improper fraction. Change it into improper fraction. जब हम इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में चेंज करेंगे तो सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना होता है? इन दोनों नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. इन दोनों नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना है और जो आंसर आएगा उसमें हमें 1 ऐड कर देना है. जो भी न्यूमरेटर होता है उसे ऐड कर देना है और नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में हमारा 2 ही रहना चाहिए. 5 2 जा 10 and plus 1 divided by 2 is equals to 11 by 2 and 5 by 2. Now we will compare both the numbers. Is this clear? By cross multiplication, let's see, 11 by 2 and 5 by 2. There we will get here 11 by 2 is multiplying here, 11 into 2 and 5 into 2. 11 2 ja 22, 5 2 ja 10. This will be the greater. It means this number is greater. 11 by 2 is greater than 5 by 2. Is this clear, students? Yes. By cross multiplying, first this is 22, then this 5 2 ja 10. This, which one is greater? 22. It means first number. This is first number. 11 by 2 is greater than 5 by 2. Now we will do it by taking LCM method. LCM. What will we get here? The LCM. Okay, 1 minute. This is also the mixed number. So first we will change it into the improper fraction. 5 1 ja 5. 5 plus 1, 6 by 5 and 5 by 4. Now taking LCM. What will we get here? LCM is, both are co-prime numbers. So their LCM is 20. 5 4 ja 20. Is this clear? And now we will make both the numbers as the denominator 20. 6 by 5. What will we multiply here to become the denominator 20? 5 4 ja 20. It means there we will have the 4. And same here in the numerator. 6 4 ja 24. 5 4 ja 20. Now next number is 5 by 4. And what will we get here to find the 20? 4 5 ja 20. It means in the numerator also we are multiplying here by 5. 5 5 ja 25. 5 4 ja 20. We will get here the like fractions here and we can easily compare these numbers. 24 by 20 is less than 25 by 20. It implies 24. It means 6 by 5 is less than 5 by 4. Is this clear, students? This will get the answer here. Okay, students. Now the remaining questions आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे और बार बार क्वेश्चंस को निकाल कर देखेंगे. इस वीडियो को 2 बार, एटलीस्ट 2 बार देखिए ताकि आपको अच्छे से कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो सके और क्वेश्चन का मेथड अच्छे से समझ में आ सके ताकि आप बचे हुए क्वेश्चंस को बिल्कुल अच्छे तरीके से सोल्व कर लें. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, बाय स्टूडेंट्स, हैव ए नाइस डे. थैंक यू.